Murti gift from Madhya Pradesh government, India.
Okay.
But this temple have not Lakshman Bhagavan Murti. This big Murti created by Buddhist peoples. This is the Ashoka Vatika. That artist family background also Christian. And this sari donated by some Muslim family. Because all religions, good educated Islam peoples coming to it. You can, and this is the Sita Mata Mandir. This Mandir Piche have Agni Pariksha, Agni Pravesha Bhumi. This Pura area, that time Rama Ravana lost Yuddha Bhumi. This is the final war battle. It was happened here. After Rama Ravana war, some peoples have a public problem for Sita Mata purity. Then Ram Bhagavan, he was decided to start the Agni Puja. Because Vibhishana, this is the Vibhishana, he was helped for Ram Bhagavan for find the place. And then finally Sita Maya came to here from Ashoka Vatika, and then she was sent out the fire, walk through the fire for prove her purity. This is not Agni Puja Bhumi. Agni Puja Bhumi today still have in Ayodhya, India. She went to the underground with Bhuma Devi. This is the Agni Pariksha. Your country, some peoples believe in original Sita Devi and duplicate Sita Devi exchange place also. This place, that Vedahi story, Chaya story. But our peoples believe in original Sita Mata. She was did Agni Pariksha here.
Yeah.
And this temple now a combination of Buddhism and Hinduism temple. Sita Mata Agni Pariksha 7000 years ago. And 7000 years ago, this is the Indrajit kingdom. Meghanath, son of King Ravana. This is the Indrajit kingdom. Ashoka Vatika Piche have Ravana kingdom. Dorelia, that is the Lanka Dam. Ashoka Vanam also Sita Devi's last living place. Because Sita Ma, she was lived in my country maximum 1 year. Last month, she was lived there Ashoka Vanam. Because King Ravana, he was used different alag places for hiding Sita Mata. And this building behind have Sita Mata Stupa. That place totally full cover. That is the Agni Pariksha. You can see.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.